Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go blocked app. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go blocked application, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Monopoly Go app and you will enter. Then this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. When you'll find this page you click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds, then you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.